Okay, so what I want to do is to quickly sketch the front end of, I just want to sketch the front end of the practical section of the backend application. For the backend application, I want to build an end-to-end, I just want to build an end-to-end full stack application, just a simple full stack application, just a form that you fill and then submit. Then you key in those information from the front end, and then once you submit that form, it takes the form to the back end and saves the form to the database. So that is what I want to do for the backend training tutorial. But to start off with, I need to kind of like sketch the, just do some sketching. I like sketching. Don't mind me, I like to sketch. So especially if I'm a bit if I'm a bit free. So instead of I kind of like prefer to do some work instead of, so let's assume that this is okay. What else? So I think this should do it. Let's reduce this height a bit. I think something of this nature. So we bring out this guy. That is it. That is it. I put my guideline. Like I say, your guideline is your friend. Okay, so what do I do now? Hmm, let's get let's do something of this nature. Let's try and see. Move this and this. Something of this nature. I need four of those. need to add this button. I've got this. I might need to bring this a bit up. I might need to bring these guys down a bit, but let me just add a text box. And for this text box, let's say this is our first name. Do I need to, yeah, something of this nature. Okay, let's copy this guy, paste here, paste here, paste here. So to get something here, just to give some space. Button is okay, and this should be my last name. And then this my country. The and then this should be my annual rent. It should be my annual rent. So this is just a simple stuff I want to build. This color is a bit too blah. Like this. Uh-huh. But from the back. Okay, so what I might need to do is to find a way of centering all these guys. They're a bit to the right. This is just basically what should I put border radius? Let me see if I can. For now, let's put some border radius. Yeah, something of this nature. 0.5. Yeah, I think something of this nature should be fine. I've begun to man. Just want to rearrange all this stuff. Need to put the title of the form. Need to put the title of the form somewhere. We first of all let's change the background of this to be a bit here, of this nature. So still a bit like on the still a bit like let me see what I can do. Let's move these somewhere. I'm just trying to center those items and see. I'm just trying to center those items. I think this should be okay. This should be okay. We call this form, we label our form as form 1. Let's increase the width a bit. Let's say 24. Yeah. So this is basically what I want to do. This is the design of this is basically the design of the form. So I want users to be able to fill this form and submit. Yeah, something of this nature. This is what we'll be building for the back end. You should be able to fill this form, submit this form. Once you submit this form, you should take this form and send this form to the back end and save this form to the database. So I think that is all for this training. This is just a design for some basic design for the practical part of the back-end technology stack. Yeah, I think that is all. I'll be ending the video. I think I've achieved this. Let's see. I need to save this guy. I need to save this guy within my back-end design, back-end tutorial design. Yeah, something of this nature. Let's save this. Yeah, it has been saved, so I haven't saved it. Let's see. I want to see if I can export. Okay, I know what I want to do now is let me just remove. I have to just remove some of these guidelines and so that things will be a lot clearer for me. I want to group all these items. Oh, I want to group these items. I want to group these items. You take this, 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 and then object group. You are grouping these items. So select this. I want to save a picture. I want to export this guy. That is what I want to do. Export as graphic. Export as graphic. Okay. Yeah. Tutorials. Design. Yeah, this is our design. This is what I want to implement. So maybe I need to add some, let me see if I can add like a border. Let's just leave it. And let's just leave it. So I don't want to start messing up these things. So I think that is all. This is what I want to implement. I think that is all. So yeah, thank you very much.